In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete Trello cards in just 3 easy steps. Whether you're organizing projects or cleaning up old tasks, managing your Trello cards efficiently can really help streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Trello.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. If you're new to Trello, you might want to take a moment to set up an account, though today we'll be focusing on the tasks at hand for those already set up. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you have the flexibility of logging in using your email or connecting through your Google account. Choose whichever option is more convenient for you. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll find yourself in the Trello environment. Now it's time to navigate to your boards. Click on your workspaces on the left, which will display all the boards associated with your account. Locate the board where you have the card that you want to archive or delete and click to enter it. Now scan through your board and find the specific card you're aiming to manage. Once you spot the card, click on it to bring up the card's details. At this point, you're ready to make your move. If your intention is to archive the card, you'll see an option labeled Archive. Archiving a card is like filing it away out of sight, yet it's still retrievable if you might need it later. It's a great option if you want to declutter your board without permanently losing any details. However, if you are sure that you no longer need this card and wish to remove it permanently, there's another step. After clicking on Archive, you'll see an option appear that allows you to delete the card. Selecting delete will bring up a confirmation prompt. Always double check here, as this action cannot be undone. Once you're certain and ready, click delete one more time to remove the card from your board permanently. And there you have it, you've just learned how to both archive or permanently delete a Trello card. These steps are simple, yet impactful in maintaining an organized workspace and ensuring that your Trello boards reflect only what's current and necessary for your projects. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and happy organizing.